Oh, hi. You've caught me reading The Cheese Monkey Chronicles. The Cheese Monkey Chronicles by S.W. Hoffman are available at Amazon now, Kindle, paperback, and soon in all good and rubbish car boot sales and charity shops. Cheese Monkey Chronicles, that's The Cheese Monkey Chronicles. Anyway, enough of all that brilliant bookmanship. Derek Hamusensen from Norway asked me to do a unboxing. Now, last time we did an unboxing, I was criticised massively by the press for not actually unboxing properly. But today, we're going to move the camera down now. Now you can't see my face. Let's see if we can move the camera up. Let's try and tilt the camera. There. If I lean... Okay, now, I can lean now. If I just sit back, hold my belly in a bit, we're okay. Today we're going to unbox toast proof smoke alarm. Now this, what the hell's a toast proof smoke alarm? Now I think it's one where if you leave toast lying on it, it won't damage the alarm. Let's unbox this one. Okay, so for those of you unfamiliar with unboxing, those of you unlike me who've never done an unboxing before, I've done an unboxing. There we go. We're going to go that way around. That's even better. Okay. You're going to need these. These are called scissors. And now we start the unboxing. So let's just show you what's in the box, what the box comprises of. Toast proof smoke alarm. This here one has got a 10-year battery in it. I'm having to read that backwards from the screen because I'm not clever enough to have prepared. Anyway, around the back you'll see these are security protected. That doesn't mean they're protected from us, from these. They're not scissor protected, are they? Let's see if we can undo these. Be very careful you don't cut yourself or others whilst getting into these boxes. And as you can see, went a bit. Not sure if I did some damage. No, we're okay. Managed to undo that one there, and that then allows us to take out. Let's see what's in the box. There's a thing there. That's a plastic disc. That's part of this equipment that we need. We talk about safety. This is big about safety. This is called the Fire Angel smoke alarm. Okay, so we get one of those. And one of those. And in here we also get one of those. That's our instruction manual. And two of those. Screws. I know what you're thinking, we're going to need the screwdriver for those. We have the solution. Watch our previous videos if you want to find out about those. We've got some mini raw plugs there. Those are things which, for those of you not familiar with DIY, are used in DIY. Right, okay. So let's have a look and see what we've got to do with this thing then. This is an ST622, if you're wondering, multi-criteria high performance detector. It's the ultimate alternative to traditional alarms. It's got groundbreaking Thermotech technology. That's Thermotech technology. This is a put in the middle. And it combines the very latest in optical sensing with thermal enhancement. That's right. Providing faster response to both fire types, eliminating the need for ionization sources which can be harmful to the environment. So what they're saying here, I know all about this. They're saying this puppy's not radioactive. Possibly. Right, okay. So how do we switch it on then? I haven't got a clue. I'm not going to read it. I'm going to go rogue. I'm going to press the button in the middle. There's a button we can press in there. I'm going to press it. So there you go. I'm going to press it again. I'm going to turn it around. Now, most people now would normally just press the button in the middle many times, not knowing what they're doing. Whereas I'm just going to press it several times, not knowing what I'm doing. And then, as all good unboxers do, I'm going to read the instructions. Right, I'll tell you what we're going to do. I think we've unboxed it. We weren't going to do an installation video today. We're going to do an unboxing. We've successfully unboxed the Fire Angel ST622 smoke alarm. So I'm very happy with the unboxing. It's gone very well today. I hope that you've enjoyed the boxing. I'm going to try pressing the button. It might work if it's like that. No, see, it doesn't work then. It's a locking device. Warning, battery not replaceable. There's almost like some sort of locking system here. Let's just try this. So imagine that is attached to the ceiling. As you can see, a lot of people would struggle with this, but not those like myself who are in the DIY trade. Because what you need to do with these, just so you can see, you could be just wasting time floundering around trying to get into this, trying to snap them in place, or and that ends the video. Thank you very much for watching. Tune in next time we're going to install this puppy and make it activated, and that'll make us all nice and safe. Tune in next time. Thank you.